guys, it's me Kia again. And for today I have like something really interesting for you. If you read the title, you might already know. Today I'm gonna be sharing my first experience using Polygel. Now this is not gonna be a tutorial video, just a disclaimer out there. It is just me sharing my first experience or my first try with Polygel and the kit I use, how I feel about it and all that stuff. So yeah, if you're looking for that tutorial kind of thing, then this is not it. Okay, so before like jumping into the actual process where I show you how I went about it and how it turned out, let's talk about the kit that I use. So if you have seen my like last nail art nail fiesta ka nail art haul na, you would know that I purchased like a whole kit, Polygel kit from her. If you have not seen that video, like I'll link it up in the cards and also in the description box below, so you can check that out because I've got a lot of stuff from her. Okay, those of you who don't know, I'll just give like a quick introduction. Nail Art Nail Fiesta is a very popular and my favorite Instagram store for all my nail art needs. Like I buy from her on a regular basis. Till now, I believe I've done 4 or 5 nail art haul videos from her. I'll link the playlist down in the description box below also, so you can see that, and also her page ka link so that you can check that out, and in case you want something for yourself, you can just place an order with her. So the kit looks something like this. It comes in this beautiful box with this beautiful logo in the center और इसके अंदर Polygel का kit आता है. So I got like this kit जिसमें it includes like 5 products for 1000.
And last thing is this brush. It's not dual ended, it's a simple brush. You can also use a arts ka flat brush if you have that, but yeah, it's a simple brush. It doesn't have that spatula at the end, but seeing all the videos I realized that you really don't need a spatula. If you have, you can use it, but if you have something like this will work too. Now, besides all that, there are 2 more things that you'll be requiring to complete your Polygel ka set and start with your Polygel ka application. So the first thing is filers. You need like a really gritty filer. This one is like 100 to 180 because you'll be needing to shape the Polygel after you have done with the application and curing it. And another one, sort of like a buffer and shine to take out any scratches left by this filer when you're done shaping your Polygel nail. So yeah, this is the first thing that you'll be requiring. Now the second thing that you will be requiring, which doesn't come along with the set, is of course a UV lamp. Yes guys, you'll be requiring a UV lamp to cure the Polygel. Now I'm gonna be using this old Sun Mini ka small wala lamp with these 6 LEDs. I'm not sure how much it's gonna work with Polygel because I've mentioned before that I have not used it for any heavy duty work, but maybe this is a test for this lamp as well, and if I get into gel, then maybe I'll buy a good solid high power lamp, but for now this is what I'm gonna use. So the first step in starting with Polygel application is getting the right size of duoforms according to your nails. जो कि हम हमेशा करते हैं ना, जब भी फेक नेल्स भी चूज़ करते हैं तो हमें राइट साइज चाहिए होता है, तो सेम सिमिलर कॉन्सेप्ट डुओफॉर्म्स का भी है, कुछ भी डिफरेंट नहीं है. यू हैव टू मेक श्योर कि साइड टू साइड बॉल्स प्रॉपरली कवर हो रहे हो, छोटा नहीं हो और ज़्यादा बड़ा भी नहीं हो. सो एज यू कैन सी हियर, I'm gonna be sizing my thumb. So here is the duo form, and as you can see when I press it, यहाँ से भी बिल्कुल perfect आ रहा है और this side से भी perfect आ रहा है. So this size का duo form is perfect for my thumbnail. और इसी तरह मैं सारे nails के sizes choose कर लूँगी और then I'll see you. These are the duo forms I've chosen for my like right hand nails. They fit perfectly. I don't have to file them or anything else. So I'm really happy about that, actually relieved about that. Now the next step is prepping your nail. Now this is like very important if you want your polygel to last longer. The second step is nail prep. I believe this is the most important step if you're doing any kind of gel extensions or nail extensions now. Now, previously I was not planning to keep them. I'm still not planning to keep them long term, but I'm gonna do a little bit of nail prep so that currently they'll hold, the polygel will hold onto my nails. And I'm gonna be doing like a little bit of filing or buffing of my sure it's thick enough at the tip so that it holds. just cure your polygel for at least 10 to 15 seconds, so that it will hold on to your nail, but not enough so that it will cure and like hardens the product. That way what happens ki you can freely like clean up the underside. You don't have to worry about nail popping off immediately. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm just gonna take this nail directly under my nail lamp and curing it for 10 seconds like a flash cure. So now you can see it's not popping off. Form just like this, like wipe it or something, clean up your brush in the solution, and then just clean up the underside of the nail. Okay, so it is all done. Now I'm gonna be putting it again for a full cure, this time under the UV lamp. And guys, don't forget to cure like अंडरसाइड ऑफ योर नेल एज वेल, क्योंकि अगर आप सिर्फ ऊपर से क्योर कर दोगे तो अंडरसाइड क्योर नहीं होती है. सो मेक श्योर यू आर डूइंग दैट एज वेल बाय फ्लिपिंग योर हैंड लाइक दिस. Now I'm not particularly happy with these because each nail looks a different shape. But this is my first attempt at them, and maybe I'll get better with the time. And also, I don't like the fact that I have such thick undersides now. I guess if you have these thick undersides, you need a E5 to clear it up, and I don't have one because I don't work with gels often. This is my first ever try at any sort of nail extensions at home. So yeah, they probably won't last, or I won't make them last. I'll remove them after this video, but I'll keep on trying with the polygel. I'm really liking the polygel, Rosalyn ka polygel now. It's easy to work with, and once you get hang of it, I believe you can create beautiful nails at home. Now, to wrap up the whole experience, I'm gonna give you a few tips and tricks that you can keep in mind if you're also gonna be trying this polygel at home.
So yes guys, you saw the demo, and this Rosa Linka polygel kit gets a big thumbs up from my side. Like if you really want to try out some polygel at home, this is a perfect kit to go for because it's not that expensive and you get almost everything that you'll require to start. Now starting from the polygel, I got the pink color. It's also available in clear, so you can get that as well. Plus it has enough quantity that you can practice and even can stretch it to 2 or 3 times cut nails you can make with it. It has so much of product. The second thing, the slip solution, that gets kind of a thumbs down from my side because that slip solution didn't work for me. My polygel was still sticking to my brush pretty bad. It was really hard to move it around. So I switched to rubbing alcohol, or even you can use like acetone free nail polish remover. That will work too, and that worked for me. Like my polygel was more easy to work with when I switched to a rubbing alcohol of mine. Then the duoforms were pretty good. They came off easily, they didn't break, plus they're available like in 10 different sizes, and they were 100 pieces. So yeah, that's again a thumbs up. The brush was also good. You don't need a spatula. That brush works really fine. You'll be able to manipulate the polygel pretty easy. So brush also gets a thumbs up. And that little damping dish, guys, I don't have anything to say bad about it. So yeah, it gets like a double thumbs up from me because besides being cute, it was very convenient. There were a few problems that I faced while working. First, I was working on my right hand, so it was like I'm working with my non-dominant hand, so वो थोड़ा सा difficult हो ही जाता है. The second thing I faced is that while applying the duoform on my nail, it was slipping off on its own. So I don't have that clip now which you can clip on your nail and the duoform to keep it in place, and while it's clipped you can like smooth out the underside now. It's separately available on her page, but it doesn't come with the kit. So what I figured I can do is I can flash cure the polygel for like 15 seconds. So 15 seconds में क्या होता है ना कि it sticks to your nail but it doesn't hardens completely. So still you can like flip your nail and go underside. It's very important to go underside of your nail and like smooth it out क्योंकि you saw ना कि how thick my nails were, or until and unless you have an e-file you cannot fix that. So make sure कि आप वो ना underside का properly smooth out karo. So flash cure it if you don't have that clip, and if you have the clip then that's the best thing you can do. And the third thing I'll say that you have to like buff your natural nails. Direct अगर nails पे ऐसे ही लगा दोगे तो it will pop off like ना जैसे peel off base coat के साथ होता है ना, it pops off. So yeah, these were the problems that I faced and the solutions I sort of figured out along the way. I'm still gonna give it a try, maybe this time without duoforms, directly applying the polygel on my nails. Maybe I can make a video out of it and show you my first experience using polygel without duoforms. Yeah, that will be a great video. Let's see about it. So yeah, this is all about this video. If you liked my first experience with polygel, then don't forget to give this video a big fat thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel, ring that bell to stay notified for new videos. And as I always say, maintain social distancing, stay safe, get vaccinated, be kind to the animals around you, keep yourself hydrated, and yeah, I'll catch you in my next one. Bye bye.